The Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, on Tuesday paid a working visit to the Edo Specialist Hospital in Benin City to assess ongoing efforts towards the expansion of the facility. The visit was part of the government's broader plan to strengthen healthcare delivery and ensure the hospital meets the increasing demand for specialized services, particularly in maternal and child health. BTV News Best Orator has details.
So I think this is a big visited and aerial
At the Edo Specialist Hospital in Benin City, equipped with advanced medical equipment, specialized wards, and critical care units, is seeking expansion to meet rising demands. At the center of the plan is the proposed Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology aimed at strengthening maternal and child healthcare delivery. During the inspection, Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa observed firsthand the boundary constraints between the hospital and the ongoing construction site of the Edo Museum of West African Art, EMOWA. The overlapping boundary line had been a major setback to the hospital's expansion plans.
We are here to define the boundaries between Edo State Specialist Hospital and so that I just want to also reiterate that based on the Land Use Act, by virtue of Land Use Act, the Executive Governor of Edo State is the owner of the what we have proposed together, they don't even have space in the area not to talk about expansion. Why before we break it down? Because we need that space for specialist hospital. What have you been here? What is going to argue this place? You will show honestly.
Following the assessment of the Deputy Governor, a resolution was reached on site to address the boundary issue, paving the way for the hospital's management and the state government to move forward with the planned expansion. In an interview with journalists, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, explained that the state government is committed to expanding the Edo Specialist Hospital to meet the increasing healthcare needs of residents. He noted that the proposed Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology is a priority for improving maternal and child healthcare services and assured that the boundary challenge with the ongoing EMOWA Museum construction will be addressed to pave the way for the hospital's structural expansion, and promised to report back to the Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo.
We are on oversight visit to Edo State Specialist Hospital, and we just wanted to see the current situation in this hospital, and we are very, very pleased with what we've seen. Yes, there is room for improvement, and I want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency the Executive Governor of Edo State, whom has asked me to come for this oversight visit, and I will report back to him with all our findings, and by the grace of God, Edo State Specialist Hospital will be transformed.
Edo State Commissioner Dr. Siri Oshamole, represented by the Permanent Secretary in the ministry, highlighted the importance of the hospital's expansion, stressing that the creation of a Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology will significantly reduce maternal and child mortality rates in the state. He added that the state government remains committed to providing modern medical infrastructure, ensuring access to quality health care, and supporting specialized services that will position Edo Specialist Hospital as a leading referral center in the region.
We are privileged this afternoon to have had His Excellency the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, to have visited in readiness for accreditation by the West African College of Surgeons for residency training in obstetrics and gynecology. The state government has employed quite a number of health workers, but we also understand and appreciate the fact that as we are employing, some are even leaving, and so what we are trying to do here is to ensure that we are able to locally train our people and prepare them for the onerous task ahead. His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo, to ensure that this place will not only train people but be a world-class facility.
The special advisor to Governor Okpebholo on health matters, Dr. Andrew Iyamu, emphasized that the expansion of Edo Specialist Hospitals reflects Governor Monday Okpebholo's vision of strengthening the state's healthcare system. He noted that the addition of new departments and improved facilities will not only enhance service delivery but also reduce the need for medical trips outside the state. According to him, Governor Okpebholo remains committed to ensuring that Edo people have access to modern, affordable, and reliable healthcare services.
The more group, they have told us what they want to do with this business, but we are also proposing for phase 2 of this hospital because of the competition and the location and the space for patients. The patients are always, the place is always overcrowded, so we need expansion here.
The Chief Medical Director, Edo Specialist Hospital, Dr. Antonia Njoku, expressed appreciation to Governor Monday Okpebholo and the Deputy Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa, as well as the Commissioner for Health, Dr. Siri Oshomole, for their support towards the hospital's expansion. She noted that health, being the second point of the Governor Okpebholo 5-point shine agenda, is receiving the needed attention and assured that the hospital's management and staff are fully committed to aligning with the government's vision of delivering accessible, quality, and specialized healthcare services to the people of Edo State.
We welcome you to this hospital, Edo Specialist Hospital. My management team and I, and in fact the teaming health populace, workers of Edo Specialist Hospital are very glad and delighted to have you today in our midst. Yes, it was like more like an emergency visit. We hope that you will come more for a regular proper visit, but we truly appreciate this milk of kindness. We truly appreciate the pat on the back that you've come to give us today. We want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency for coming around and for all that this government stands for. We are happy that health is taking a very proper place in this administration.
The visit underscores the state government's commitment to strengthening healthcare infrastructure, enhancing service delivery, and ensuring Edo Specialist Hospital remains a hub for quality medical care in the state. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.